In this video, we are going to look on how to list a house for sale on Zillow. First, log in or create your account on Zillow. Click here on Sell. Then click on Post for Sale by Owner. Enter the street address and city of the property you want to list. Then click on Continue. If the location is accurate, then you can proceed by saying yes. If not, then edit and do the needful changes in the address. Set the price of your property. You can even add 3D pictures of your property through the Zillow mobile app. Click here to add your property pictures. Given all the specifications and details about your property, it is recommended to be as transparent as possible while stating all the details of your property. Type in your contact number here. Then click here to accept the terms and conditions and click here to list your property on Zillow. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.